Good morning, everyone. So today let's try going this $120 account using the Billy Flip and the broker robbery indicators. So we are having a sell trade. So I will be showing you guys in detail whenever the indicator gives signals and all. So let's go. So this is the sell. This is the sell signal from my broker robbery indicator. So you can see the sell signal, and immediately the market started dropping. This is why I like flipping account with it. So and then we can see it is just dropping without a pullback. It is dropping without a pullback, and our $100 $120 is up over $200 right now. It is just dropping. Okay, so let's set our take profits, and then it will automatically close by itself. Our take profit got hit successfully, and then look at our new balance is 301.9. So look at the charts. So look at the charts, it came straight, and now we have a new setup. So I will explain everything to you. Let's first enter our buy. This is the new buy signal. This is a new buy signal. This is the reason why we just entered buy. So let's add more. So my reason for this buy is because the market have oversold already. You know, we sold and then it went straight into take profit, and then it gave a new buy signal after the market have oversold. And this new buy is up, making us have a new balance of over $700. Okay, so it went up straight, and overall we are up $700 balance right now. This is the trade on trading view. This is the buy signal it gave, and then the market just went up the next candle straight up, no drawdown at all. Then look at this first sell, no drawdown too. We made money from that one too, and then this new buy, and then you can see the previous signals. So that is how this indicator works. Very easy to use. Now we have 712. Let's try to take this money up again. We have a new setup on gold. Let's sell gold. Looking at gold have been moving to the upside, but now it's changed trend. Okay, the new direction now is sells. So we waited for this pullback, and now we have a sell signal from the indicator. So look at it. This is what we expect. We expect gold to drop from here because the trend is very clear. So this is a perfect setup for flipping an account. A very perfect one. Very clear trend. Very clear structure. This is a high probability setup, and now it's running over 1000 plus in profit right now, straight into profits. I think we should just close out some money right now. Let's just close this trade. It's up. Now we have closed the trade 1886.65. So this is a cool profit in less than 3 minutes. We made this much money in less than 3 minutes. Look at 1886.65 ASAP. We have a new setup, a new sniper entry buy right now, because this is a strong oversold already, and then we have a new buy. Having this massive drop and then a follow-up buy, I think this is a very good setup for us to take this $1,800 to a bigger figure. So look at this drop, this massive drop, and then from there we have a follow-up buy. You understand? So we have a follow-up buy to give us a correction. Whenever market drops like this, the market will need a correction to the upside. You understand? So we are going to trade a correction, and look at immediately after we enter this trade, it is just going up. Yeah, this is expected to happen. This is expected to happen. Boom, we are up $5,000 plus right now. Our trade is paying over $3,000 right now, 3,700. Let's quickly close it, and then I will show you guys how this happened. Okay, this is massive, guys. This is fucking massive. So look at the trade. Look at this sniper entry trade. Look at it. So immediately we entered, the correction started immediately, and the market started going up straight. Look at. Okay, there was even another set signal for us to add more positions. Look at, we had another signal to add more position to the direction, meaning like we are at the right direction. And now our trade up $5671. This is our new trade by XAUUSD again. So this, you can see we have a consolidation. The market is seriously consolidating, and then we have a fake out, and after the fake out, the indicator gave us a buy signal. So like we have so many confirmation from this trade. Look at this fake out. So a lot of people place their self-stop orders here, like they are selling massively right now, but I'm sure they are going to get stopped out, and that is when we are going to take our profit. So by the time we are going to be enjoying, they are going to be crying. So look at a lot of people placing their sales here, but no, Billy, we are looking for buys. We are looking for buys. The indicator just sent us buy after the fake out. So that is the reason why we are buying. If not, I wanted to be even selling because the market is on the downtrend right now, but because there is a clear manipulation already and people are selling, we are going to be buying. And the signal give us a buy. Look at, it's already spiking to the upside. Yeah, this is what I expect the market to do. But most people, they don't think like this. Like they thought the market will be going down, but no. Look at, account doubled already. Account doubled instantly. instantly, and it is still going up, 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 up way. Okay, so like instantly the market is going up. Our account is doubled already. So let's just close it. Let's just close it because I just expect like some kind of correction there, and then I'll look for a new setup so I can even make more money. So look at the trade. Look at the trade. This trading of a thing, you just need skill. You need skill. You don't need so much money for you to be profitable. And also the broker I'm using is XNES with unlimited leverage. Check the video description so that you can get started. And I'm sending all the signals to my channel too, so join my Telegram channel on the video description. So we have a sell again. For some reasons I'm going to sell again, so I will show you guys the sell signal. So full margin sell. So let's go to the trading view. Let me show you guys the sell signal. And even though it spiked up, I'm selling. Look at. So looking at the current structure, the structure is a selling structure, and I didn't even wanted to take the first buy self, but the indicator sent is sell signal now, which we just entered, and we are expected to drop. We expect it to drop. So people that sold below there, they got stopped out already. So that is why the market is going to drop. Okay, so that's one thing about the market. It will stop people out first, and then it will start going to the direction. And now you can see our sniper entry sell up 24k profit. Oh my goodness, this is over 38k equity right now. And we started from 120 to $38,310,000 right now. So I told you guys, so you just need to learn this. You just need to learn this skill of trading. We have another sell signal which we are going to take right now, because I want to be taking sales. The structure of the market is selling structure, so I want to be on sales right now. I want to be on sales. So let's go and take another sales. Let's go and take another sales. So we don't need to celebrate this one too much. So look at this look at this new sale right here. Let's go and take another sales. Oh, the market's already dropping. So look at it, we have taken our sales. Let's stack him more. Let's stack him more sales, more sales, more sales. So it's already dropping, it's already dropping, it's already dropping. So taking a sell right now is the best decision we can make. This is the best decision we can make. The buys we took is just for correction. Okay, so the main direction is sales. So that's why we are selling right now. Sell, 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 sell gold. Minus $8,000. Well, don't worry, you don't need to panic. Look at 14k. It's already dropping. Look at gold plus 20k again. Another 20k today. My goodness. 5. So I think I should just close this position right now at around 20k. So maybe I will close it at 55k or something. So I've closed all my position $55,000. So this is enough, and I'm just going to place a withdrawal right now from $120 to $55,000 done successfully. So let's go place some withdrawal. So look at the trade. Look at the sell trade again, the second sell trade, and I close it here. Look at $55,095. So I dropped this trade on my Telegram channel. We're winning. So check on this video description so that you can join the team. Let's cook up something. And then the only broker that will allow you to do this kind of trading and will pay you your money is XNES. So check on this video description. I will drop the link so that you also can get started. So register a standard account, and then your leverage. You can start with 1200 leverage, and then later you upgrade to one to unlimited leverage, because you need to trade some lots first. All right, see you guys on my next video. Make sure to smash like button, subscribe to the channel too.